Setcrete Latex Floor Levelling Compound is suitable for use on a wide range of absorbent subfloor types, such as sand cement screeds and concrete. It can also be applied over non-absorbent subfloors, such as ceramics and quarry tiles, provided they are dry, sound, well adhered, and suitably prepared. Pour 4 litres of cold, clean water into a clean mixing bucket and gradually add the 20 kg bag of powder, while stirring with the power whisk fitted in an electric drill until a smooth, creamy, and lump-free consistency is achieved. The material should be mixed for a minimum of 2 minutes, scraping the sides of the bucket halfway through to ensure all material is mixed. Do not add further water, and do not mix more material than can be applied in 15 minutes. Pour the mixed material onto the prepared subfloor, primed with Setcrete acrylic primer, and allow to flow and attain a smooth finish. Minimal work with a smoothing trowel is required. The mixed material can be applied between 2 mm and 10 mm. The use of a spiked roller is recommended immediately to eliminate trapped air and smooth out flow lines to give a more uniform appearance. Setcrete latex can be walked on from 2 hours, and new floor coverings can be installed from 24 hours.